This basket you are seeing right here sells for up to 50 Ghana cedis. But here is the real question: how much profit does the weaver make from this business? Welcome to Ghana Business TV, where we show real money, real opportunities, and real business across Ghana. Today, we are in Kumasi Amakom, in the Ashanti region, with a local basket weaver who has been in this business for 8 years. Let's find out how this business really works. Please, can you tell me your name and when you exactly start your business?
Oh, okay. I am Dennis Ampem. Yeah, Dennis Ampem is my name. And this work is my father's work. So I learned from my father. I started from 2007.
So, Mr. Dennis, at the beginning, how much exactly did you start with?
Okay. In the beginning, I started with 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Then
1,000
today,
Ghana cedis.
how much exactly do you need? Maybe someone who is watching this video and you want to invest in you, how much do you exactly need?
Oh, okay. For now, if I get like 3,000, 2,000, 4,000.
Where do you get your materials from?
The materials. Okay. For the materials, we get it from Western region.
How much does it cost to make one basket?
Okay, like 20 cedis.
How much do you sell one basket?
Okay, like we have sizes. We have the small size and the big size. The big size is 14 size, so it's 40 cedis. And the small size is 12 size. That one too is 30 cedis for last.
How many baskets do you make in a week?
Oh, okay. For me, during the week, I can make about 300 baskets during the week.
In the week, you can make 300 baskets.
Yeah, from Monday to Saturday.
What are your biggest challenges in this business?
Okay, our biggest challenges is the raw material. When they are bringing it, the demand for the transportation
is high.
It's too high, and it's killing.
And you are also facing capital problem. Capital problem. That's your second challenges. So, which advice can you give to a beginner, someone who wants to start this business?
Oh, that in the beginning, if you start this business, it contains a lot of money, so people can come and order something from you. So if you don't take care and you let the money begin with it, you cannot learn from it.
So it means that any beginner can also face the transportation problem.
Yes,
and probably capital problem. From what I have seen here, this business can be started with low capital, and the profit depends on how many baskets you can produce in a week or in a month, and where you can sell those baskets. This is one of the hidden business opportunities in Ghana. Many young people can take advantage. Thanks for watching Ghana Business TV. If you want more business opportunities like this in Ghana, subscribe to the channel. Or if you are interested in starting a business, like this video and comment below, or message guide, and I will assist